everyone, welcome back. In this video we would learn how to solve the practice problem, calculate the area of a right angle triangle, rectangle and circle. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So it's a very easy question. We just need to write the formulas for calculating the area of three things. First is a rectangle. Okay. Now if I need to calculate the area of rectangle, I just need to do, this is my rectangle, right? So this is length and this is width. So the area for this is length into width. Okay, so that is L star W. Okay, so this is for rectangle. This is the formula for calculating the area for rectangle. Now let's move forward to the second one. Second one is a right angled triangle. Okay, so this is something like this. Okay, so I need to calculate its area. Okay, so its area is half. Okay, half into base. Base is this. Okay, so half into base into height. Okay, this is height. So half into base into height. So this is for right angle triangle. We need to apply this formula. And the last one is a circle. Okay, so the last one is, the third one is a circle. Okay, so for the circle we have the formula for area, which is pi r square. R is the radius. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear with the formulas. We just need to apply these formulas and we can easily solve this question. So let's do it. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Then you need to find the problem, area of rectangle, right angle triangle and circle. Okay, so the problem is area of rectangle, right angle triangle and circle. Okay, once you find it, you need to click on solve. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. Given the length of rectangle, width of rectangle, base of a right angle triangle, perpendicular of a right angle triangle and radius of circle respectively, calculate the area of rectangle, right angle triangle and circle. Okay, and we need to code it over here. Okay, so let's solve this question. Let's start with the area of rectangle. Okay, so it is area underscore rectangle. Okay, which is equal to L star W. Okay, that's the area for it. Okay, next is area for triangle, right? So area for triangle, which is half into base into height. Now remember, this might come in form of, like a float value. I want an integer answer, so I would do type conversion over here. So it would be integer 0.5, okay, star base star height. Okay, now 1 minute, it should be in capital, so let me write it in capital. Okay, so this is for area of triangle and last one is area of circle. Okay, so area of circle, then it is again integer value. Okay, now it would be 3.14, which is the value of pi, multiplied by r. Okay, and now I need to calculate the square of r as well, right? So let's do it like this, circular brackets, capital R, then I need to calculate the square for it, right? So 1 minute, let me do it like this, just 1 minute, circular brackets, one more bracket over here. Now over here it would be star star 2. Okay, so this is area for circle and finally I would just return with these three values. Okay, so area, 1 minute, so it is area underscore rectangle, then I need to write comma, area underscore triangle, then the last one is area underscore circle, right? Comma, area underscore circle. Now this is how we solve the question, but we need to check if it is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Okay, let's wait. The compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. And now to be sure if all the test cases are passing or not, I would click on submit. Okay, so let me click on submit. Let's wait. Okay, so the problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem. Calculate the area for a given rectangle, right angle triangle and circle. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.